Passive income sounds great. Many talk about it, many dream about it. Warren Buffett, one of the most famous rich men, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." There are many ways to achieve this, but almost all of them have a major drawback. You have to work hard to make money first. And then you have to keep investing to grow this. But there is a unique exception, which allows you to generate growing income right from the start. That quickly increases to more than $10,000 per month without additional investment and with unlimited growth. I'll reveal this method at the end of this movie. But first click on subscribe, the like button and on the bell, so that you are always the first to know how to quickly generate a large growing passive income. First, let's take a look at the most popular ways of passive income. There are many ways to achieve this. Most revolve around acquiring assets and then receiving recurring revenue from them. 1. Buy a house and rent it out. Many wealthy people started out with a cheap house, apartment, or holiday home. They fixed this up, started renting it out, and the first passive income came in. In practice, however, this is not completely passive. The house needs maintenance and you need to find and keep tenants. You can of course outsource part of this, but then you earn less. With this approach, there is only one way to grow your income. You guessed it, buying more houses, renovating them and renting them out. 2. Invest in stocks and get dividends. The stock market offers many opportunities to earn money. If you buy stocks that are undervalued, they can double in value in a short period of time. I even know someone who bought a stock that grew in value 10 times in 3 months. This has been the way for many wealthy people to collect their first starting capital. This creates a basis for a relaxed passive income. Many shares of well-known large companies do not quickly increase in value, but they do provide a nice remuneration to their shareholders. That is called dividend, a kind of interest for your invested share capital. In practice, this is often a lot higher than the bank's interest, so you get a nice passive income. But that is also the risk, because a company can also run into problems. And then the dividend will be a lot lower or even disappear completely. And here too, if you want more income, you have to invest more and buy new shares. 3. Rent out a parking space. This is actually a super simple way of making money. Garage boxes are often for sale for little money and you can easily rent them out. Most people do not have a garage at their house and would like a place for their car. You can also do this a bit bigger. In the vicinity of airports or train stations, renting out parking space yields even more. Airlines like to make agreements, because this allows them to offer their customers something extra. A pasture that you buy or rent from a farmer can suddenly generate a lot of income. But here too the costs come before the benefits and you have to keep investing in order to grow. 4. Earn from Google Ads. YouTube is a wonderful example of online passive income opportunities. If your YouTube channel meets some rules, you can start making money with it. That can add up considerably, because YouTube pays 55% of the advertising income to the owner of the YouTube channel. For many YouTubers, this is a significant part of their income. A successful channel can continue to generate revenue for a longer period of time, even if there are no or few new videos for a while. But for the vast majority of people it is still necessary to regularly make new interesting films, especially if you want to grow your advertising revenue. Of course, there are also other ways to earn money from Google Ads. On a successful website, Google likes to place advertisements for their customers. Especially if you have a website about a popular subject, the income can rise sharply. But here too, content is king. New valuable content remains necessary to secure and grow this income. 5. Dropshipping, sell other people's products. We've all had a great idea for a webshop. But when it comes to the implementation, you quickly lose heart. Purchasing and storing stock, processing orders, and delivering quickly is serious work. That certainly doesn't sound like passive income, does it? Yes, with dropshipping you can let others do all of this. The trick is to create a good webshop where you offer products from someone else, for example from Amazon. Every order is automatically sent to Amazon and they take care of the rest. You will receive your commission every month and you're ready to enjoy money while you sleep. Although, not quite. The buyers see you as the seller. If there is a problem, you will have to solve it. And if you depend on someone else for a large part of your business, growth is not easy to achieve. 6. Create and sell a course or ebook. If you know a lot about something, you can easily make a course or ebook about it. That offers a lot more possibilities than most people think. Many people underestimate their own knowledge and experience. They have been active in a profession for 20 years, but cannot imagine that others would be willing to pay for that knowledge. They then say, "That's all been on the internet for a long time." However, most people do not want to get information from all different websites and videos. They would much rather have a person give them that information out of the box. If you know how to write it down or film it well, you can earn a lot of money with it. For example, a film course by a well-known YouTuber is promoted on YouTube. It has already been sold millions of times in a year. Of course, that is a very exceptional success. In most cases, a course or ebook is not immediately very successful. And here too, your income will only really grow if you keep investing in valuable content. 7. Affiliate marketing, promote other people's products. With the information about the Google ads, I said that this is an important source of income for many YouTubers. But affiliate marketing is even more valuable to many. A review of a new video camera always contains a link to a webshop where you can buy it. That's affiliate marketing. You get a commission when others buy a product you link to. Even if your YouTube channel does not yet meet the rules for financial compensation, you can still earn good money with it. Especially if you have a channel where the films are watched by many. In the vast majority of cases, however, you will receive a one-off amount with a sale. So you have to keep promoting to maintain or grow this. The secret to fast-growing passive income. All these ways have a major drawback. For starters, it's not easy to get assets. Then they offer an income in which there is no growth. The rent of a house does not grow, so your income only grows if you acquire more houses. With dropshipping you get a fee for a sold product, but for that you have to refer people again and again. But then you keep working and it is not passive income. This brings me to the unique exception I talked about at the beginning. If you have a website, webshop or YouTube channel, there is one way to quickly grow passive income. That's called cumulative passive income. When selling or promoting other people's products, you almost always only receive a one-time commission. Then you have to keep running to get your fee. And especially if you want to grow this every month. However, there is a unique, simple way to change this. In a system where you automatically earn more money every month, without having to work hard for it over and over again. This is what you achieve when you start selling or promoting a product where you get paid over and over again. You receive a fee with the first sale, and then every month after that. So every customer continues to generate money and every new customer comes on top of that. That's the secret of cumulative passive income, which grows every month. Let's do the sum. Suppose you promote a product with cumulative commission with affiliate marketing. For example, this will earn you a commission of $50 per month. Every month your promotional link generates 10 sales. The first month will earn you $500. In the second month, that is $500 plus $500 equals $1,000. In the third month, another $500 is added and you already earn $1,500. After 2 years, you'll earn as much as $12,000 a month. And that just keeps going up. As you can see, affiliate marketing with recurring revenue is a veritable gold mine. The most important question is, of course, with which products do you get paid recurring commissions? The answer is astonishingly simple and completely in line with today's times. You used to buy a product, but now you increasingly pay an amount per month for use. There is one product where this is almost always the case: software. Software nowadays usually has a SaaS revenue model, software as a service. This means that you do not become the owner, but pay for the use of the software service. The beauty of software is that after development you have virtually no inventory or production costs. So if the software company has developed something nice, the big money can come in. That is why they are happy to give you a nice percentage of their turnover. In many cases, that is 30 to 50% of the monthly price. And the great thing is, in many cases that is a recurring commission. Some examples. NordVPN pays you 100% for the first month, then 30% recurring commission. Elegant Themes, the website for WordPress themes, gives you 50% recurring commission. So as long as the software customer continues to use the software, you will receive a generous commission. Every new customer earns you extra commission, so that grows enormously. So what's stopping you from promoting software? Start a website, blog or YouTube channel about using your favorite software. Join a software affiliate program. And start making money while you sleep. To help you with this, you will find all kinds of great links to SaaS software and software affiliate programs in the description. Want more of this valuable information? Then click on subscribe, the like button and on the bell. That helps us enormously and you will be the first to receive information about new earning opportunities. See you in the next movie.